We're over at the AMC Theater, the Liberty Tree Mall, in Danvers, Massachusetts. Let's go to M. Gotta make this quick. Here we go. Whoa! We are at M. 1. You can hear the bass, that's just from other theaters. Basic cab. Here's your fixtures. There's your inspection certificate. 100 feet a minute, tells 100 pounds. And I don't see a date on this anywhere. There's a phone. We'll take it up one more time, why not? This thing is just epic. Too bad there's a band in here. Now we'll go back down to 1. That was a big jolt when we first went up. Here, back at 1. Whoa. You hear the bass vibrating the walls. And we'll close up. There it goes. And that's it. Before we go, listen to this. Oh, you can't hear now. The bass was like vibrating the walls. But anyways, there it goes. And that's it.